we'll guide you through how to use Dropbox on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. You'll need to sign in with your Dropbox account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you can click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select Install Dropbox from the drop-down menu. This will download the Dropbox installer to your Mac. Find the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing, you'll find Dropbox in your Applications folder. Open it, and you'll see a Dropbox icon appear in your menu bar at the top of your screen. This is where you can access all your Dropbox settings and files. To sync files, simply drag and drop them into the Dropbox folder in your Finder. This folder acts like any other folder on your Mac, but anything you put in here will be automatically synced to your Dropbox account. You can also right-click any file or folder on your Mac, select Move to Dropbox, and it will be moved into your Dropbox folder, syncing it across your devices. If you want to share a file or folder, right-click it within the Dropbox folder and choose Share. You can then enter the email addresses of the people you want to share it with, or you can copy a link to send manually. It's that simple. Keeping your files organized and accessible across all your devices is easy with Dropbox on Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.